Ever wondered how our planet, the Earth, came to be? It's a cosmic question that has intrigued humanity for centuries. Today, we're exploring this fascinating topic, tracing the journey of Earth's creation from the very beginning. Just imagine all the matter that makes up our universe, from the tiniest microbe to the largest galaxy, compressed into a single, infinitely dense point. This, according to the Big Bang Theory, was the state of the universe some 13.8 billion years ago. A sudden massive explosion and the universe began to expand, setting the stage for the formation of galaxies, stars, and eventually, our own planet. The creation of Earth was not a simple process. It involved a series of cosmic events, each more fascinating than the last. From the birth of stars to the formation of the solar system, each step played a crucial role in shaping the world as we know it today. Let's embark on a fascinating journey, back in time to the very beginning of Earth's creation. Our story begins around 13.8 billion years ago with a massive explosion known as the Big Bang. Now you might be imagining this Big Bang as a colossal firework that suddenly lit up the darkness of nothingness. But in reality, it was more like the rapid stretching of the universe from a state of extremely high density and temperature. The Big Bang Theory, currently the leading explanation about how the universe began, suggests that at its simplest, the universe was a hot, tiny, dense point, nearly infinitely small. Then, in a fraction of a second, this singularity began expanding rapidly, a process we call cosmic inflation. This event is not located in space as we know it, but rather it represents the creation of space itself. As the universe continued to expand and cool, particles began to form and combine to create atoms, primarily hydrogen and helium. These atoms, attracted to each other by gravity, started to clump together, forming vast clouds. Over countless millennia, these clouds grew denser and hotter, until finally, they ignited. The birth of the first stars marked the end of the cosmic dark ages and the beginning of the epoch of reionization. These first-generation stars were titans, much larger and hotter than the stars we see today. They lived fast and died young in spectacular supernova explosions. These explosions scattered heavier elements throughout the universe, elements that would later come together to form new stars and galaxies, a process of stellar evolution that continues to this day. So, in essence, every atom in our bodies, every speck of dust beneath our feet, every star we see in the night sky, all of it was once part of a star that exploded. We are, quite literally, made of star stuff. From this chaotic beginning, the stage was set for the creation of our own solar system and, eventually, Earth. Around 4.6 billion years ago, the Earth's tale truly began. In the grand theater of the universe, the solar system started to take shape in a dense region of a vast molecular cloud. This was no ordinary cloud, but a swirling mass of gas and dust, primordial elements that would ultimately give birth to our solar system. Imagine a vast cosmic carousel, spinning faster and faster, flattening into a spinning protoplanetary disk. This disk was the cosmic cradle where the seeds of our solar system were sown. The heart of this disk, dense and hot, was where our sun began to form. The sun's formation was a spectacle of cosmic proportions. A colossal mass of gas and dust started to collapse under its own gravity, growing denser and hotter with each passing moment. This process, known as gravitational contraction, transformed the heart of the protoplanetary disk into a seething mass of energy. As the pressure and temperature soared, nuclear fusion ignited, giving birth to our sun. The sun was now a star, a cosmic powerhouse that started to clear away the gas and dust from the surrounding disk with its strong stellar winds. Yet the story of our solar system's formation doesn't end here. The remaining gas and dust, now orbiting the young sun, began to clump together. Small particles stuck to one another, growing in size over millions of years to form planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. These planetesimals, through countless collisions and accretions, went on to form the planets of our solar system, including our very own Earth. This was a time of cosmic chaos and creation, a period when the foundations of our present-day solar system were laid. And so, with the sun shining brightly, the protoplanetary disk transformed into a bustling solar system. As the sun took its place in the cosmos, the stage was set for the birth of our planet. The stage was set indeed for the next act in the grand cosmic play, the arrival of Earth. In a universe of chaos, a new player entered the scene, Earth. From the remnants of the solar nebula, an immense cloud of gas and dust from which our sun was born, Earth began its cosmic journey. Picture a swirling, chaotic mass of particles, slowly coalescing under the relentless pull of gravity. Over millions of years, these particles gradually came together, forming larger and larger clumps of matter. This process, known as accretion, was the first step in Earth's formation. As these clumps of matter grew, so too did their gravitational pull, drawing in even more particles and growing ever larger. Eventually, the clumps became so massive that their interiors heated up, reaching temperatures hot enough to melt the accumulated rock and metal. This molten mass separated into layers according to density, a process known as differentiation. The heaviest materials sank to the core, forming a dense, metal-rich center. Lighter materials rose to the surface, creating a crust of lighter rocks. Between these two layers, the mantle formed, composed of semi-molten rock. Thus, the layers of the Earth, the core, mantle, and crust, were born. But Earth's formation story doesn't end there. We still have a significant character to introduce: our moon. The leading theory suggests that the moon was formed from a catastrophic collision between the young Earth and a Mars-sized body, often referred to as Theia. The impact was so powerful that it launched a large portion of Earth's crust and mantle into space. This debris eventually coalesced, forming our moon, forever linked to Earth by gravity. Thus, amidst cosmic dust and fiery collisions, our home, Earth, was born. This newborn planet, still hot and volatile, would continue its journey, cooling and changing until it became the Earth we know today, a unique haven of life in the vast expanse of the cosmos. With Earth's formation complete, the stage was set for the greatest show in the universe: life. This is where our story takes a dramatic turn, shifting from the realm of geology and astronomy to that of biology. The arrival of water on Earth set the stage for this new act. But how did water actually get here? Scientists believe that water was delivered to Earth by comets and asteroids, the cosmic voyagers of the early solar system. This water, over millions of years, accumulated to form our oceans, lakes, and rivers. Now, with water in place, the next crucial step was the creation of Earth's atmosphere. This was no small feat. It took hundreds of millions of years for Earth's atmosphere to evolve to what we know today. Volcanic activities released gases trapped in the planet's interior. These gases, mainly water vapor, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen, formed a primitive atmosphere. Over time, through a process known as photosynthesis, early life forms began to release oxygen, gradually transforming this primitive atmosphere into an oxygen-rich one. But life. Life. The emergence of life on Earth is a fascinating, complex story. It is believed that life began in the ocean, in the form of simple, single-celled organisms. These microscopic beings were the pioneers, the first sparks of life in a world that was once nothing more than a barren rock. Over billions of years, these simple organisms evolved, diversifying into countless forms, adapting to every corner of the planet. From the deepest ocean trenches to the highest mountain peaks, from the hottest deserts to the coldest polar ice caps, life found a way. And so, we arrive at the world we know today, a world teeming with an incredible diversity of life. From the smallest microbe to the largest whale, from the simplest plant to the most complex human, life has flourished in a myriad of forms, each one a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life itself. And so, from a universe in chaos, emerged a world teeming with life. Our journey has been long, spanning billions of years and traversing the cosmos. Let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible voyage we've taken together. We started at the very beginning, the Big Bang, that explosive moment that gave birth to all stars, including our very own sun. Then we saw the formation of the solar system, a cosmic ballet of dust and gas that coalesced into planets, one of which would become our home. We witnessed the Earth's arrival, a fiery and tumultuous event that eventually yielded a world capable of sustaining life. Finally, we explored the emergence of life on Earth, a process that took billions of years, from the first simple organisms to the diverse array of species we see today. So, next time you gaze upon the stars, remember you're not just looking at lights in the sky, but a glimpse into the incredible journey of our planet's creation.